Hey, it's Liz with Crafty Queens. We're going to take a spring today and a styrofoam ball and some fabric. We're going to Mod Podge that all together. I got this idea from Miss Carol. I'm pretty sure it came from Pinterest. She sent it to me a messenger, and I thought it was so stinking cute that I wanted to basically dupe it. It's very close to the original. So I get some fabric on there, and then I take some cheesecloth, and I take a few pieces and go in different directions, and we're going to put some cheesecloth through there as well. Then I got out some instant coffee and some water, and I just kind of mixed the two in the center there. And I brushed it throughout. You could submerge it if you wanted the whole thing done, but I just wanted it throughout, so I just brushed it with a foam brush wherever I wanted it. And then we tied that off. Now my spring kind of kept tipping over, so I'm going to grab a 4-inch round. Oh, first I'm going to make eyes out of the faux leather from Dollar Tree and put those on with Titebond. So I'm going to grab this round and I'm going to coffee grunge it up as well. And once I get the stain on there, I just kind of sprinkle some grounds in there just to make it look pretty cool. Now, this was going to be our spider. I'm going to show it to you only because it would have been a cute idea too, and there's probably ways that other people could do it and make it work. I took one of those small snowballs from Dollar Tree. They're kind of fuzzy, and I wrapped it in the faux leather from Dollar Tree. And then I took a I guess I would call this like a string. It was like black and metallics, and I Mod Podged some to where that they would stiffen. I took 8 pieces and I put that aside. That ends up falling apart, guys, so we're not going to use it, but I wanted to show it to you because, you know, pass or fail. Then I took this frame of a tag and I coffee grunged it to match the stand. So the same thing, I did the stain and then I added some crumbles in there. I took a piece of fabric and cut it out in the same shape but a little bit bigger and frayed the edges, and I glued that on with Titebond. And then inside here I'm going to put Spooky with some stamps. I still thought it was kind of bland, so I added some like script stamps and other things to it, and then I re-Titebonded it. And then I just put some twine through there and I wrapped that part on the spring itself. I stapled the stand, the round, to the spring. And then I've got our little ghosty head sitting up in there. So now we're going to redo our spider. We've realized that our spider is not going to work. I took a half bead. I liked the faux leather idea, so I did that. And then this time, I used a super thin rusty wire. And I cut 4 pieces, and I stapled them to the back first. And I also added some hot glue. And then I just put a little round piece of faux leather back there to kind of make it look clean. So there is our little spooky ghosty, guys. I think he's so cute. Thank you, Miss Carol, for sending this to me, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.